Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama Tenggo dan pasukan boneka di konten Ongi TV. Yeay. Jadi aku dan pasukan boneka mau ngucapin selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri. Mohon maaf lahir batin. Mohon maaf juga kalau cucu-cucu kakek nggak ada otaknya ya. Ya sengaja-ngata karena kakeknya juga gesrek. Sebelum kalian menonton, jangan lupa untuk apa kek? Untuk follow akun Instagram, bukan Instagram. Duh, pokoknya follow akun Instagram Tenggo Wicaksono biar aku dan pasukan boneka semangat terus bikin konten. Yaudah ini langsung masuk ke videonya. Batuk nih. Hi.
You're so cute.
Okay,
yes.
Thank you.
Nice smile. Ni hao.
Oh no, I'm not Chinese.
Okay, sorry.
But I'm from Asian too.
Oh, nice.
I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia. I have a friend there.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I want to sing a song for you, all of you.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to make a request for me?
Whatever you want. Your favorite song. Yes.
Okay.
So beautiful. Excellent.
Oh, thank you.
See you, bye.
Mas Tenggo, itu kakak-kakaknya kode hego karena aku yang Mas Tenggo ya? Iyalah karena Jojo boneka. Enggak, Jo. Kenapa, Ren? Karena mukanya Tenggo kayak boneka caki. Kurang ajar lo. Bu. Kenapa? Hi. Oh, nice hat.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your camera can.
It's in charge.
So, what's your name?
Andrea.
Oh, Andrea, it's beautiful. My name is Tenggo, Andrea.
Wait.
Maybe you can hang it. Oh, that's great. Hey, you know John Mayer?
Yes.
Okay, I will sing it for you. Great Big Bang and dinosaurs, fiery rain and meteor, it all ends unfortunately. But you're gonna live forever in me, I guarantee. Just wait and see. Part of me were made by you, and when it keeps their distance too. The moon's got a grip on the sea. You're gonna live forever in me, I guarantee. It's your destiny.
Stop.
Thank you.
Thanks. Oh my God, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Yes, Andrea.
You make me.
So, Andrea, can you sing it for me? Oh, you can sing or not?
I'm not singing for people. I'm not.
Why?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know.
So, what's your hobbies?
What's your hobbies?
Draw. Sing. No.
Okay.
No, sing.
Draw, singing. Oh no.
And what?
Seriously, I don't. Oh, eating.
Yeah, I like it too. I'm not,
Why?
because I like Andrea. You are so beautiful, Andrea. Oh my God. Oh, you kiss me?
Yes.
I think right now you are falling in love with me, right?
Yes.
Are you single?
Yes.
Oh, right now you're not single again. Because I'm your boyfriend. Okay?
Oh my.
You just have to tell everyone that I'm your boyfriend. Okay?
Yes.
Just like, hey, I have a new boyfriend. He's so handsome.
I say. Wait. I say that.
Say it louder, okay?
Ya. Ngapain?
Lu kok kesekik sih, Teng? Gua nggak tahu. Pokoknya mulai sekarang kita ngomongin TV-nya kerongannya aja ya, Teng ya. Andrea, tunggu Agang ya, Andrea.
Udah cakep-cakep gini pada ngumpet. Ini apa lagi main ngumpet? Oke, aku jaga ya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 10 cepet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Ya udah.
Bikin aki. YouTuber bang. Bikin Puki ya?
Piki
Nama
Puki.
channelnya pasti. Kalem bang. Boneka cantik dari India kan? Siapa?
Kok boneka cantik?
Yang mainan boneka ya bang ya? Bang. Nah.
Orang mana, Bro?
Orang Aring, Indramayu bang.
Orang Haring.
Kalemin bang. Bang foto dulu.
Oke, asik.
Oke, santai.
Lu ngapain nih rame-rame nih?
Perasaan baru tadi gua lihat lu di FYP bang.
Oh, thank you. Jadi gimana kelanjutannya? Jangan banyak gacot ya. Lu ngaku sih kada gila ke gimana nih?
Ini lama-lama lu capek sendiri nih kayak gini nih.
Bang. Coba nyanyi dong, katanya suaranya enak.
Nyanyi apa?
Nyanyi bang, enak bang suaranya bang. Nyanyi dong.
Coba tanyakan lagi kada hatimu. Udahlah. Kalau kelanjut nyanyi kaki duitnya dulu lah.
Bang, tenggorokan lu kagak sakit apa bang gitu bang?
Jangan banyak gacot dong, anak gila lu ya. Gue punya kantun buat lu kada.
Kasih tahu Ren.
Si Yoyo pergi sama si Ija.
Cakep.
Ayo kita geranteng aja.
Foto lagi.
Jangan lupa semuanya mampir di Kopi Link.
Oke,
Mampir di Kopi Link. Sukses BTW buat YouTube-nya.
Amin, thank you bro.
Semua kegiatan baiknya.
Amin. Semoga Kopilink juga sukses nih, pada sehat-sehat semua ya.
Semoga segala hal baik selalu menyertai bang.
Amin.
BTW thank you banget udah di follow back ya bang.
Siap. Oke deh bro. Ya, gue jalan dulu ya. Sehat-sehat semua. Assalamualaikum.
Out bang. Peace.
Orang tuh kalau ketemu ngobrol, bukan woi aja. Gue cari alamat lu ya.
Ngapain lu Ren? Lu pasti mau ngobrak-ngabrik.
Kagak lah, gue ngoki bareng, Teng. Ini orang provokator nih.
Kagak.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, me too.
You look like Kim Jong Un.
No. Kim Jong Un is North Korea. Kim Jong Un. Hi. What are you eating? Oh, yeah. What is your name? Your name. Angela. My name is Tenggo.
Like mango.
Not mango, but with T. Tenggo. Hey, I wanna sing a song for you.
Aww.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I still remember 3rd of December, me in your sweater. You said it looked better on me than it did you. Only if you knew how much I like you. But I watch your eyes as he walks by. What a sight for sure eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die. Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave her your sweater. It's just polyester, but you like her better. I wish I were Heather. Thank you.
Oh my god. That's so good.
Thank you, Angela.
I like it.
Angela, can I see your full of face? Oh my god. You're beautiful as your name, Angel. Does it hurt when you fall from heaven?
Oh my god.
You know,
Yeah.
Angela, if I have to running around the world,
Yes.
I will do it as long as you are the finish line.
Hey, Angela, do you have Instagram?
I'm gonna type it right
Okay.
now.
Oh, wait. I have to follow you. Oh, is that you? Yeah. Okay, right now we are friends. Have a nice day, Angela. It's nice to meet you. Bye.
Ngasih nggak ready? Kenapa, Jo? Coba duduknya deketan. Kenapa sih, Jo, Engang? Nah, kan kalau kayak gini kan udah cocok nih kayak etalase toko gua. Ada gua ngangga, ada gua nanas.
Udah berani-beranian jojoren.
Wah, bener-bener tuh gocah.
Ding. Come on.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
Where are you
Thank
from?
you. I'm from Uzbekistan.
Oh, yeah, great.
Do you
So,
like singing?
yeah. But I'm sorry, what's your name?
You can call me Nona.
Nona.
Yes.
You know, in my country, Nona, it means girl.
Girl?
Yeah, hey girl. It's Nona.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
My name is Tenggo.
Dango.
With T.
T.
Yeah.
Tango.
Yeah,
Tango.
you're right, Nona.
Okay. All right.
Because I have a microphone, I will sing a song for you.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Let's sing.
Gravity is working against me. and gravity wants to bring me down.
Wow.
Oh, I never know what makes this game with all the love that is hard
Who
to
is that?
stand. Dream of way to throw it all away. Oh, gravity working against me. Oh, gravity wants to bring me down.
Wow.
Oh, twice as much and twice as good, and I can't sustain like a one half could. It's on and more that's gonna send me to my knees. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, you're so cool.
Oh, thank you.
How do you do
Nyonya.
that? You're so cute.
Thank you.
You got a magical voice.
My name is Jojo.
Jojo.
Yeah, Jojo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
Nona.
Oh my gosh. Is that you talking?
I'm talking by myself. Not him. Not him.
I love it.
Thank you.
You know, Nona, it's called ventriloquism.
Wow, I never heard it.
Yeah, it's like you talk without moving your lips.
How do you do that?
Hello.
Yes.
It's interesting.
He's right.
Oh my gosh.
I want you to be my brother girlfriends.
Oh,
So
long distance relationship.
yes, it's okay. So you can be my sister-in-law. Okay?
That sounds great.
My brother, come here. Hello. So you are my girlfriend, right?
But you don't have met her before, Randy.
I wanna ask you,
Mm-hmm.
what are you afraid of? Do you just afraid with ghosts?
Ghosts.
Or
Yeah, sometimes, not always.
if you afraid of ghosts, but I'm afraid of losing you.
Ah. Okay. Okay, you will not lose me. Can you sing one more song for me?
Oh, okay. Why not?
Whatever you like.
Okay.
All I hear is raindrop falling on the rooftop. Oh baby, tell me what you have to go, 'cause this pain, I feel it won't go away. And today, I'm all visualizing you.
I thought that from this heritage I could escape.
Good I fronted long enough to know
There ain't no way.
and today I'm all visualizing you. Ooh, can nobody do it like you?
Say every little things you do,
Hey baby, say stay on my mind.
and
ang officially kissing you. Thank you.
Oh. Thank you too.
Because
Yeah, Joe?
right now, I'm officially kissing you, Nona.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I have one question for you.
Yeah?
For all of you.
Okay.
With how many girls did you flirt so far?
Oh, you can ask Randy, not me.
Okay, Randy?
Wait. I have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay. Enough.
I don't know how much. The girl that I
Okay.
have flirting is so much. But you know, don't worry.
Yeah.
Because my love is just for you, Nona.
Oh, thank you. You flirt with other girls and you. All right.
Right now,
Sounds
my
good.
love is just for you. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, do you have Instagram?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, maybe we can be friends in IG.
Of course, if you don't forget me.
Wait, I will follow you back right now.
Okay. Oh my gosh. You're amazing.
Thanks.
You're amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
nice
Nona.
to meet you once
Nice to
again.
meet you.
Have a great day. Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Ini tuh lu banyak banget sampai lu ngitung nggak habis-habis.
Ya, namanya juga Kakgoy Internasional versi Goneka, Deng.
Mantap. Eren, lebaran kali ini lu mau kemana?
Ya biasa lah, Teng, silaturahmi.
Oh, mau silaturahmi, salam-salaman.
Kagak, mau berantem sama musuh-musuh gue. Udah lama gue nih, nahan-nahan sebulan penuh.
Nahan sebulan penuh.
Pokoknya buat kalian semua jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, dan share. Biar cucu kakek ini yang baju oranye semangat terus nyari ceweknya buat kakek.
Terima kasih.
Deng.